You may be wondering why I'm standing outside this wonderful olive tree. But before I do, let me introduce myself. My name's Justin Boland, and today I'm going to introduce to you one of my favorite listings. Before I do, let me welcome you to Mirador Del Paraiso. Mirador means view, and El Paraiso means paradise. So guys, welcome to paradise. This gated community has 24-hour security. Hola. Buenas tardes. Mirador del Paraiso is only a few minutes' drive from the closest golf course, 15 minutes from Marbella, and only 10 minutes to the beach. And here we are, outside Villa Bella. It's double-car garage feeding straight into the kitchen. Let's go inside. So here's a quick snapshot of this modern villa with an Andalusian twist.
The plot has over 1,500 square meters of manicured gardens and built over an area of over 800 square meters. 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, all with ensuite and all with their own terraces or direct access to the gardens. The first thing that grabs you as you walk through the front door is this cortijo-style patio. The living room has an open fireplace. Coming straight off your living room is your open-plan dining area, and again, your double-height, vaulted ceilings. Wonderful kitchen, fully modernized with all modern appliances, Silestone work surfaces, and a lovely breakfast bar. Another thing that makes this property truly special is that all bedrooms have access directly straight out to their own terrace or straight out to the garden. The property itself has all the modern fixtures and fittings one could wish for, but yet keeping in with the charm of Andalusia. As night falls, I start to picture myself sitting right here, having a glass of wine, looking out to the lights of paradise.
Thank you for allowing me to show you around one of my favorite villas. Beauty, charm, space, light are most definitely not amiss. So goodbye from me and Engel Völkers, and I look forward to seeing you soon in paradise.